Question 12, 4,285 times 91. Now we're going to need a magic zero method here. And what I always recommend with magic zero is to do double spacing of your lines, which you'll see what I mean in a minute. So 4,285. So 4,285 times 91. Now by double spacing, what I mean is this. So single spacing would be having a single line between each line. So you've just got one square to put your numbers in, but that might mean you squash your working out up. And sometimes with magic zero, people do squash things up, and then that leads to confusion. So by double spacing, I mean this. Leave a double line. And you would have the space to do this on a SATs paper or in your book if you're doing it in class. And then that's going to give you more space. So now watch what happens here. So I'm going to do times by this 1 first. So everything on the top row is times by 1. So 1 lot of 5, 1 lot of 8, 1 lot of 2, 1 lot of 4. Now that's easy, isn't it? So 1 5 is 5, nice big 5. 1 8 is 8, nice big 8. 1 2 is 2. And 1 4 is 4. Now there's been nothing to carry there, but on the next line we're going to have some carry digits, and then it's going to become more obvious about why I did the double spacing. So we're now timesing by the 9. I'll do it in a different color actually. So times by the 9, but that 9 doesn't mean 9, it means 90. So you need to put the magic 0 in, and then times everything on the top line by 9. 9 times 5, 9 times 8, 9 times 2, 9 times 4 in that order. 9 5s, 9 8s, 9 2s, 9 4s. So here we go with 9 5s. 9 5s is 45. Put the 5 in, carry the 4. Now when I carry a digit, I'm going to write it on the line. Now 9 8s. 9 8s is 72, plus 4 is 76. Put the 6 in, carry the 7. 9 2s are 18. 18 plus that 7 is 25. Put the 5 in, carry the 2. And 9 4s are 36, plus that 2 is 38. Put the 8 in, carry the 3. But because I've reached the end column, that 3 can just go straight in. Now I'm hoping this makes it more obvious as to why I double spaced it, because not only if you single space it, you're going to have numbers inside the squares, but you're also going to have numbers on the lines, and that's going to make it look a bit squashed. And this is why I think it's important to double space, so it's not so squashed up, because some people get confused between the numbers in the squares and the numbers on the line. So you need to be very, very clear. Allowing yourself more space to do that might avoid confusion. So now we've used the carry digits already, we don't need them anymore. So scribble those out and now add up the bottom line. Sorry, add up these two lines to get the bottom line. So 5 add 0 is 5. 8 add 5 is 13. 3 in, carry the 1. 2, 6, and 1 is 9. 4 and 5 is 9 again. Nothing in 8 is 8. And nothing in 3 is 3. So the final answer to this question is 389,935.